Living in Slidell, Louisiana, means dealing with the challenges of a hot, humid climate. From sweltering summers to high humidity levels, residents are always looking for ways to make their homes more comfortable while managing energy costs. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. These windows offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They can significantly improve the comfort of your home and reduce your energy bills. Here's how energy-efficient windows can make a difference for homeowners in Slidell's humid climate. Temperature regulation and comfort. Slidell's summer temperatures regularly soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with high humidity making it feel even hotter. With conventional windows, the hot air can seep into your home, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder to keep things cool. Energy-efficient windows, however, have advanced coatings and insulating properties that help regulate the temperature inside your home. They block out the sun's heat during the summer while keeping warmth inside during the cooler months. As a result, your home remains more comfortable year-round, and your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently. Improved humidity control. Humidity in Slidell can reach uncomfortable levels, creating the perfect breeding ground for mold, mildew, and other moisture-related problems. Traditional windows may let in moisture, leading to increased humidity inside your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep both heat and moisture at bay, offering better insulation and sealing. This can help maintain a dry and comfortable indoor environment, reducing the chances of mold growth and the associated health risks. With better humidity control, your home remains healthier, and the air quality improves. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to lower energy costs. In a humid climate like Slidell, running air conditioning is often a necessity to stay comfortable, and this can lead to high electricity bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the amount of heat entering or leaving your home, which makes it easier to maintain your desired indoor temperature. By minimizing the reliance on your air conditioning, these windows can cut down on energy consumption, ultimately lowering your monthly utility bills. This makes them a smart investment for homeowners looking to save in the long run. UV protection for furniture and flooring. In addition to controlling temperature and humidity, energy-efficient windows offer protection against harmful UV rays. The intense Louisiana sun can fade furniture, carpets, and flooring, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Many energy-efficient windows come with built-in UV blocking features that prevent up to 99% of harmful ultraviolet rays from entering your home. By reducing UV exposure, you can protect your furnishings, flooring, and artwork from sun damage, keeping your home looking fresh and vibrant for longer. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Slidell is a busy town, with traffic noise and outdoor sounds often making their way into your home. Energy-efficient windows can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your space. Their multi-pane construction, combined with special insulation features, creates a barrier that dampens sound transmission. Whether it's the noise from a nearby street or the hum of outdoor air conditioners, energy-efficient windows can help you enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Increased home value and curb appeal. Beyond the practical benefits, energy-efficient windows can also add value to your home. When it comes time to sell, prospective buyers will appreciate the long-term savings that come with installing these windows. Homes with energy-efficient features are often seen as more desirable in today's market, where buyers are looking for ways to reduce ongoing expenses. Additionally, these windows can enhance the curb appeal of your home, adding a modern, sleek look that complements any architectural style. Environmental impact. For environmentally conscious homeowners, energy-efficient windows are an eco-friendly choice. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are also lowering your carbon footprint. Less reliance on heating and cooling systems means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier planet. Choosing energy-efficient windows is an easy way to make a positive impact on both your household budget and the environment. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart choice for homeowners in Slidell's humid climate. Not only will these windows enhance the comfort of your home by regulating temperature and controlling humidity, but they also provide savings on energy bills, improve air quality, and protect your furnishings. With added benefits like noise reduction and increased home value, energy-efficient windows offer a comprehensive solution to the unique challenges of living in a humid region. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, investing in energy-efficient windows is a decision that pays off both now and in the future.